Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to IK Engineering. My name is Anamullah. Today in this exercise we will learn that how we can convert a text file into Excel. So actually this is our text file. Lots of students have problem that how we can convert text file into Excel. So let's get started. Open a Excel file. Okay, come to the data, from the text select and select the text file where you saved. I saved with cp1 okay, saved here. Select here text file, all files and import. So here you should select a comma delimited. Characters such as commas or tabs separate each field, so you can separate it each values. Now come select on next, click on next. Okay, it show the screen. Let's use set the delimited your data contents. You can see how your time is affected in the preview below. So delimiters whatever you want. So I just click on comma and click on next and finish. Give the name here and okay. So you can see that our text file convert into Excel. So this was a short video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.